did not get into your dream universities or just missed the application deadlines and are considering taking a gap year, now in this video, I'm going to tell you that it's not too late, and we're going to take a look at top 5 colleges that you can still apply for the fall 2026 intake. Let's get into it. Penn State University at University Park. Now I'm specifically mentioning University Park because Penn State has a lot of different campuses, and this one has been ranked top consistently among public universities within the US. The university itself is known for its majors in business, tech, and engineering, and with its broad alumni network, there are so many different career opportunities that are available for students. The college uses a rolling admission strategy, but the earlier you apply, the better chances that you have. Now, in general, for those of you that don't know what rolling applications mean, this basically means that they don't have a specific college deadline. So you can apply to these colleges throughout the year whenever you feel like you're ready. So this doesn't mean that they're bad colleges in any way, it's just a type of deadline that they follow. Now, on average, Penn State University is looking for an SAT score anywhere between 1270 to 1450. So if you're in that 1300 range, you have a pretty good chance of getting in. In terms of what they look for overall in a holistic student profile is rigor academically and extracurricular activities. So talking about scholarships and financial aid for undergrad students. Now, for US citizens and permanent residents, there is need-based aid available through the FAFSA, but this is not applicable for international students. But Penn State offers the Special International Grant in Aid and the Penn State Tuition Assistant Grant for international students. And through both of these grants, you can get anywhere between $100 to $2,000 that can be used towards your tuition fee as an international student. Now, in my opinion, Penn State University is best if you're someone who's looking for a good brand name public university within the US. Second one on our list is Indiana University in Bloomington. Now, this one is known for its majors in business, specifically the Kelley School of Business, Public Policy, and Science. So in terms of what they're looking for in prospective undergrad applicants, they admit with SAT scores somewhere around 1350 to 1450. So definitely a little bit more competitive, but they are looking for an overall holistic student profile with a good mix of academics as well as extracurricular activities. They like to balance the activities as well as academic side of things in students. Even after the students are admitted, they do encourage students to participate in various activities on the campus itself. Now, in terms of scholarships and aid, again, for US citizens and permanent residents, you would apply through FAFSA for the need-based aid, and international students are automatically considered for merit-based scholarships. Now, the best part is they are test optional. So let's say you don't decide to submit your SAT or ACT test scores while applying, you would still be considered for the merit-based scholarships. And if you are accepted by the university, you automatically get to know how much of this scholarship you were awarded. There's no separate application form that you have to fill out. Now, this university is best for students that are inclined towards business-related majors, even in finance or economics, for example. The University of Pittsburgh is known for its STEM-based majors, so really well known for science, engineering, mathematics related degrees. And the best part is it has a very secure internship network. So their alumni network as well as urban access to where the university is located make it a prime spot both for domestic as well as international students. If you are a prospective undergrad student, they are looking for SAT scores anywhere between the 1250 to 1450, so the mid SAT range. And they do focus on a holistic student profile as well. And I know I've mentioned holistic a bunch of times, and what I mean by this is they want to see students that have done a little bit more academically outside of the classroom and outside of what your school provides you in terms of activities. And a great way to showcase this aspect in your student profile is through research-based activities such as the Research Bootcamp through Incognito Blueprints. It only happens once a year, and it's a great foundational research program where you get to work in a team on a specific research project that you can potentially even publish after the program is done. The best part is it's all virtual, and anyone in the world, as long as you are a high school student, is eligible to apply. If you want to know more details, you can check out the link in the description. Now, when it comes to scholarships and aid for the University of Pittsburgh, again, for US citizens and permanent residents, you're looking at FAFSA, but for international students, they have automatic merit scholarships of up to $10,000 that you are eligible for when you apply to the university itself. Now, this university is best if you are inclined towards STEM-based degree. And no list of ours can be complete without Arizona State University in Tempe. This is by far one of the most popular universities, and so many students apply to this university itself. ASU is widely known within the international student population, and it's ranked consistently in the top public university in the US itself. It's known for multiple majors, so whatever you can think of, all the way from business to science to STEM, non-STEM, you have that major that's available. And because of this, there are so many different opportunities that you can have within the university, such as research, internships, co-op opportunities, and a well-rounded international community on the campus also. For the SAT ranges, again, they're looking at anywhere in the 1300 to 1400 range. The better is obviously improving your chances of actually getting admitted by the university itself. So I'm saving the best for the last, and we're talking about Rutgers University, which is known as the Public Ivy League University. Now again, this is not an official tag, but this is what people consider it. It's located in New Jersey, which means that it has excellent urban connections. So if you're looking for internships or co-op opportunities or even networking opportunities, you're right in the hub and in the center of things, right next to New York City. So now this is known for its majors all the way from STEM, engineering, mathematics, business, econ, so almost anything that you can think of. They have a wide range of majors that they offer to international students. In terms of scholarships and financial aid, they do offer presidential-based scholarships that are their merit scholarships that don't need any separate application. The amount itself can range anywhere from $5,000 to $21,000, but this is limited. So the earlier you submit your application, the better chances you actually have of getting this. All right, so that's all I had for this video. Now, if there are any that I missed, or if you feel like there are others we should cover in like a part 2 series, let me know in the comments below. If you're watching till this point, thumbs up the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.